Hi, it's Susie from toysandgames.ie here. I wanted to do a quick show off of this Solarbot kit. So it is solar robotics. You make 6 different desktop Solarbots using this kit, but only one at a time, so the parts are interchangeable. I've opened this box. It comes with an instruction manual and it comes with all the parts. There's 45 different parts in that pack. Most of them are plastic. It's recommended for children aged 14 plus and adults, and when I look at the brochure I think definitely you'd need to be that age in order to follow it, unless you have a very mechanical mind, in which case maybe younger children or an adult with a younger child might be able to manage it together. So it shows you what you have in the box, and then you have to kind of assemble a gearbox and assemble the kind of solar powered stuff, and then you get moving on to actual making the robots. They're desktop size, so this for example is how to make the first solar bot. So you can see there the level of difficulty. It's not something that I feel I'd be able to do, but I'm not really minded that way. So it just depends on the child and on the adult, but really cool. You need direct sunlight in order for it to work. No batteries needed. Just looks like a real fun kit for kids and adults that like mechanical stuff. Thanks for watching.